Hello, aspirants. Welcome to Patriot Indian. Uh, we will discuss EPFO EOAO question paper of 2021. So let us go through the questions one by one. Uh, each of the following sentences in this section has a blank space and four words or group of words given after the sentence. Select the word or group of words which you consider most appropriate for the blank space and indicate your response on the answer sheet accordingly. Okay. It's time you went out and dashed your own living, afforded your own living, earned your own living, gained your own living, won your own living. So what do you think would be the right answer? It is earned your own living. मतलब खुद के पैसे खुद से कमाना और खुद की जिंदगी खुद से लीड करना means to earn his own livelihood. Okay, you earn your livelihood. I hope it is clear to you. The elephant fell into a dash the hunters had set. What would a hunter set? Obviously, a trap. A hunter would not set a track or a trick or a trunk. The hunter would set a trap for an elephant to fall. So the correct answer is the elephant fell into a trap the hunters had set. Okay. The dress isn't really tight. It'll dash when you've worn it. It'll bend. Do you think the dress bends? No. मतलब मैंने तो नहीं देखा, आपने देखा होगा तो प्लीज बताना मुझे. The dress isn't really tight. It'll expand. Expand, हाँ, maybe. हमें लगता होगा और else like we would be thinking this option would be correct करके, but we'll go through other options also. The dress isn't really tight. It'll squeeze. We're already talking that uh, the dress could be little tight. मतलब it's not tight, but like there is a feeling that it could be tight. So it'll squeeze. Further, you want to squeeze it, it'll become super tight. So obviously that would not be the option. The dress isn't really tight. It'll stretch. Yes. Every day on a regular basis, if you keep on wearing a dress, it'll stretch. है कि नहीं? अगर रोज हम एक ड्रेस को पहनने लगेंगे तो क्या वो ड्रेस स्ट्रेच नहीं करेगी? Obviously it will stretch. So the correct option is the dress isn't really tight. It will stretch when you've worn it. जब पहनोगे तो ड्रेस स्ट्रेच कर जाएगी. Okay. With his uh, with his back to the old man, he stood at the window, fist clenched, and his shoulders dashed with his choked sobbing. Okay. Shoulders shivered. Shiver karna, shoulder shook, vibrated, move. So look at option C and D. Do shoulders vibrate? No. Especially when the person is sobbing. Sobbing का मतलब ये है ना कि दुखी हो या फिर लाइक किसी चीज को लेके बहुत ज्यादा दुखी हो तुम तो तुम सॉब करते हो, मतलब वो रोना जो आता है ना उसे तुम सॉबिंग कहते हो. एंड मूव्ड ये तो ऑप्शन में नहीं होगा. दिस वुड नॉट बी द राइट ऑप्शन. द शोल्डर शुक. शुक मतलब हिलना. शेक शुक. सो दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. शिवर्ड. शिवर्ड मीन्स कांपना. सो यहाँ पे द पर्सन इज सॉबिंग. सो जब कोई रोता है तो वो कांपता नहीं है, डर के मारे कांपता है इंसान. बट इन जनरली व्हेन यू आर क्राइंग योर शोल्डर शुक. शेक. ओके. सो द आंसर इज शुक. The bereaved mother proudly received the Gallantry Award. Dash her brave son who had laid down his life in the recent war. In the name of her brave son, in lieu of her brave son, on behalf of her brave son, for the sake of her brave son. So here the correct option would be on behalf of, because the son is no more present to receive the award. So the mother is receiving the award on behalf of his son, as a son has been laid down in war. I hope you get it clear. Okay, now we have to find the opposite in meaning options. Okay, she always organizes lavish parties on birthday. What do you understand by lavish? Lavish means something very extraordinary or else like something very luxurious and you spend a lot of money. That is considered lavish, very grand. So the opposite of lavish is frugal. Frugal means कंजूसी करना या फिर like spending very less money. Miser kind of thing. Decent. Decent would not be opposite of lavish. Cheap. Cheap is not opposite of lavish. Strange is not opposite of lavish. So the opposite word of lavish is frugal. Frugal means uh, very spending very less money. The soldier was greatly praised for his valor. Valor. Do you guys know the meaning of valor? Valor means bravery. So यहाँ पे वेलर का opposite clumsiness, bravery का opposite, do you think it's clumsiness? No. Cowardice, yes. Opposite of bravery is cowardice. Selfishness, no. Tactlessness, no. So here the answer is cowardice. The regions are very fertile. Fertile regions. So whenever you read or something, like you go through, right, fertile land, barren land, right, you don't call land sterile, you don't call, I mean, like arid land is there, but it is different kind of land. Fertile land, productive land, both mean the same. Fertile land, barren land, they both are opposite in meaning, so the answer is barren land. बंजर भूमि, आई होप, हाँ शायद पता होगा ना, बंजर बंजर भूमि, बंजर भूमि को we call it barren land. Some Sikh immigrants were detained at the airport. Immigrants means like outsiders. You people must have gone through this term, Bangladeshi immigrants, most of the times, right? So, matlab, outsiders or people, foreigners that want to come to our country. So, uska opposite would be settlers, natives. No, yes. So the answer would be natives. Opposite of immigrants is natives. The questions were so elementary that anyone could pass the test. Elementary means something very basic. है कि नहीं? Something very basic, like elementary education means basic education. So what would be the opposite of it? Advanced. Yeah, advanced. Correct answer is advanced. Okay, question number 11. Each item in this section consists of a sentence with an underlined word followed by four words. Select the option that is nearest in meaning. Okay, nearest in meaning. Look at the question. Today the newspaper is full of carnage and violence. We will have to find something that goes with the sentence. Today the newspaper is full of bloodshed and violence. Does it go with the sentence? Yes, it does. Today the newspaper is full of lust and violence. Uh, does the word lust go with the sentence? No, I don't think it goes with the sentence. Today the newspaper is full of concern and violence. No, it does not. Today the newspaper is full of satire and violence. No. So the nearest or closest in meaning to the word carnage is bloodshed. So most of the times we would not be knowing कि what would be the right answer. हमें पता नहीं होता है कि इसका right answer क्या है. लेकिन जब हम sentence को देखते हैं और जब उसे पढ़ते हैं तो उसका nearest meaning हमें पता चल जाता है, और और जो हमें सही लगता है वही सही होता है. Like most of the times we would not be knowing the exact meaning of the words, but if you read the sentence carefully, we would we can easily go to the, I mean, we can easily reach to the conclusion, or else find the answer. Here the answer is, today the newspaper is full of bloodshed and violence. Okay. This religious gift that makes me human is still alive in Indian souls. Religious. Religious, mystical, no. Spiritual, could be metaphysical, no. Philosophical, no. Something closest in meaning to religious is spiritual. It is difficult for us to imagine how much the safety means to everyone. Imagine, think, right? Imagine means feel. No, imagination is different. Imagination is something cognitive. And feeling is something different. Understand, imagine and understand different. Imagine and think, yes. It is difficult for us to think how much the safety means to everyone. So the correct option is think. Public service is not merely something that occupies the hours you are doing it, but invades all your life and experience and affects them in one way or the other. Invades. Invades means preserves, no. Demolishes, no. Invade, demolish, yes. Uh, Covers, spoils. यहाँ पे invades का closest meaning is covers. He was in the early part of the 20th century a staunch nationalist of the liberal fold. He was in the early part of the 20th century a staunch nationalist of the liberal fold. Liberal. Liberal means profuse, dogmatic, plentiful, tolerant. Liberal means tolerant. So anyone that is liberal is tolerant. Tolerant would be the right answer. Okay. We will have to find the errors. Neither the servants nor the clerk has done this work. Is there any error? Neither the servants nor the clerk has done this. Okay, here we have no error. The car which went past us when we were driving on the highway must have been doing at least 100 miles an hour. So here, the car which went past us when we were driving on the highway must have been doing at least 100 miles an hour. There is no error in the sentence. Raju will be back home in an year after his stay abroad. Raju will be back home in a year. So here the correct option is in a year. It's not in an year. Raju will be back home. It's correct. In an year, no. It is in a year. I have much work to do. I have much work to do. There is no error in the sentence. Psychology did not develop into a science based of careful observation and experimentation until the late 1800s. Based off, it's so look at B. Option B, based off careful observation. No, it's not based off careful observation. It is based on careful observation. So I hope you got how to find out the errors, and please do let us know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe.